Kasi wasa oil. Ha?
There.
Ano na?
Chicken minute oil. Down for chicken oil.
Ha? No, we don't need the oils. Because we have our oils. Now,
How about the chicken? Hey, I found the chicken.
wait, what is that?
Hey, there's a chicken over there.
Okay.
I found fruits.
Huh? Found fruits.
It's vegetables. I want this one.
What is that?
It's
What is
pear.
that? It's what?
It's pear.
It's a green bell pepper.
Green bell
Yeah.
pepper. I would like this one. Wait, did you buy this one any times? Did you buy this one any time? Did you buy this one?
No. What's your mouth? Oh,
Dili.
it's a chocolate. Oh. Na, black.
Dili ba ka ng halang nasa balay ginina?
Yeah.
Did
It's a
you?
pickles.
Why you buy them?
Because I like it.
Me, I don't like it. There's a chicken. I'm gonna reach. Chicken! Chicken in there! Chicken up!
Chicken diha.
There.
Mana? Cornstarch mana?
Wait. I need to